Happy New Year! Welcome to my video. My name is Nick. In this video, I thought I'll do something a bit different. What I normally do is brush lettering, but since it's a new year and I'm inspired by my favorite lettering artist, Stefan Kunz, to create something today, even if it sucks. So I'm gonna try something new. It's something I wanted to try for quite some time now, but I've never tried this new style because I'm afraid that it's not gonna turn out really nice. But since it's a new year and I'm inspired right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. So what am I going to do? I am going to create letters using leaves. I'm not gonna give too much away right now. I'll just share with you the process. Since it's my first time, I can't say exactly what I'm gonna do or exactly how I'm gonna do it because I haven't done it before, so I can't say a lot about it yet. I'll just share with you the process. I hope you enjoy the process and I hope you like it. I hope I like what I'm going to do. Now I'm gonna go down to our garden to pick out some leaves because that's the thing that I'm gonna be using to create letters. So yeah, I'll take you with me and let's go. So I'm here at our garden. I got my scissors. Now I'm going to cut some leaves for my lettering. What I'm looking for are leaves with really nice veins at the back side so that I'll be able to use those, because what I plan to do is I'm going to make stamps out of them so that I'll be able to get the veins. It's hard to explain right now. I'll just pick out some leaves and then start working on it. I'm back from my garden adventure downstairs. Here are the leaves that I got. So let's start. Now I'm gonna shift to the overhead camera so that you'll be able to see the actual things that I'm going to be doing. I'm excited to try this, so let's go. Here is the final lettering. I hope you like it as much as I do. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my tutorial or process or this type of videos. Feel free to try this same technique and I want to see your take on this, so don't forget to tag me so that I'll be able to see your work. I hope this video will inspire you to try something new today, something you've been wanting to try but you're just afraid to do it. I know you're gonna create something great, you just need to take the first step. I hope you start today. That's it, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.